When we're writing a diary, we're writing a first person account of what happened in someone's day. So it's a person telling their own story of what happened in their day, and they're not usually shared with anyone else. So therefore, we can be a bit less formal in the tone and language that we use. And we can do three things to do that. We can use contractions, we can use colloquialisms, and we can use idioms. So first one we're looking at today is contractions. Those are words like can't, haven't, couldn't, should have, and that's where you join those two words together using the apostrophe. So rather than saying cannot, you say can't. I've just written a quick note down here about the difference between it's with an apostrophe. So that's the contraction of it is, it's quite rainy today. Or an it's without an apostrophe means it belongs to it. The dog was chasing its tail. So we need to make sure that we're using the correct one. Colloquialisms or colloquial language are used for casual communication. So when there's a close relationship between the speaker and the listener, or in this context, in a diary, there isn't really a listener. We're kind of writing to ourselves. So we can use colloquial language, or sometimes known as slang as well. So we can use words like my bad, guys, hanging out, lost the plot, and lots of more of these examples here. And then the last thing we're looking at today are idioms. So an idiom is an expression or phrase that refers to something other than the words that have been used. So for example, when we call someone a couch potato, we're not saying that they're a potato that's on a sofa, but it's an expression that means that someone's lazy. So there are more examples here. So piece of cake, pulling my leg, going bananas. So we can use those three skills, contractions, colloquialisms, and idioms, to make our writing more informal.